So we have planned a trade here. On the last hour of this monthly expiry, the logic behind this trade is simply that market have given the breakout here, friends. This zone is broken at this level, and after that, market have given the one very good breakout here, and after that, it's consolidated here. So now I'm expecting that the market should it should I mean take this support from here, but it's not looking like that. Okay, we will wait for this. Nothing to worry about it. This trade is in full control. So if something do not goes in our favor, so we can think about other plans. But wait, we will wait on this trade, right? Because I cannot see the other plan is getting activated. Wait. So we'll wait here because our market may work as per our expectation, but things is that no, it's not working. P is not working, so not to worry about this. So we'll stay on this trade. It was bit early as I was expecting that it will sharp recover from this, but again it went bit more down. But I think this will work because P do not have any strength. Sorry, P is not showing any strength, so we have to more concentrate on the CA only. And I have taken the good trade in the CE, hoping that it will work. Let's see. So why I have trade, because the monthly expiry last hour we may see the very good momentum on the monthly expiry, that is possible. And for the safer side, I would like to book 1000 quantity here. It will be again a risky game. What should I do? But it's look stronger than what the C is doing there. Let's see if it will cross 2 rupees, 2.5 rupees, this level. I would like to go on this also. Day loss has crossed the limit, but still, oh nice. I think I should go with this trade. So I have done this side also. Let's see which trade is working, and this is the monthly expiry. Both side, I mean one side must work. So I will take 1000 SL in this, and I will take 1500 SL in this trade. So I have traded the both leg. So let's see what happened. And because the monthly expiry, we can see some momentum in the last hour possibly. So if it is work in the C side, then we have this, because this premium is higher, it can goes to by 30. And if it is working in the P side, if it is down and gets P side, so we have 1000 quantity will at least will come to the 10 rupees. So this loss will recover, and this momentum will be gaining here. So CE is not working. Yeah, it is completely not working. We are, I mean, market is trapping in the people in the CE, but we are also in the PE, which with a good quantity. So we will wait for both of the trade. Idea is simple. As today is the monthly expiry, there is a possibility that there will be the momentum in either side, like maybe the call side or the put side. So we'll wait which side is working very good, and we'll also try to see that C is really not working. I have the more than 115, but we have 4 point only here. That's why I'm not going to book this, because this will work as a still. And this side I have also taken entry, so it will keep balancing, hedging type of trade, right? So there will be no issues for me, because I'm balancing the both side here. So we'll keep waiting how the market is behaving, because the market is at the 17,863. So if it is getting down, then there will be a good chance for the PE. And if it is getting up by these levels, of course we had already in the C, but the way C is getting down, I don't think it will perform. Let's see. I mean, one cannot say, because this is the monthly expiry. Okay, now PE is getting down and C is try to improve the level. No, okay, let's see. It's important to see, because hedging in this side, so I don't have issue with this both side, because hedging is working, and this is extra losses today. This side it has covered, I mean 600 rupees, but again this side is greater losses, so it's showing this 5,000 loss today. Hope this will recover, and so we will be in the profit by the end of the day. So let's see what happening here. Again P is down, CE is trying to recover that, but that is okay. Again P is down, getting down. Yeah, it is getting down, and CE is getting recovered. This is how. If suppose you are in only CE at this moment, you might have booked the loss here, and you might be in this trapping zone. But I have hedged this trade, so I'm not booking this, and I'm also not booking this, right? So keeping expectation that either side will perform, maybe this side or this side, because this is the monthly expiry. And in the last hour, because so many contracts get updated, so there is a possibility that it will be, there will be good moment in the market. But if we'll see this, uh, why one risk is there, only one risk, because VIX is down, so it is possible that market may be in the sideways zone and both premium will be down. This is also possible. At that point of time, I will be in the loss of 2,500 rupees additional loss, right? Like this C is also bit in, I mean, not C is also not improving, and P is also not improving. So in this set, I will have the higher loss. Otherwise, one have to, one have to perform, one will perform, and maybe C or P. Let's see. Market in the expectation to perform the CE more. See, let's see what happening here, because now C is improving. See, from this level, 3.4 level, I have reached to the 6 point. See, this is how market we have. And in this side, it was almost 3.15 paisa, which is now 1.4 paisa, I mean rupees, 1.4 rupees. But this side, and you can see this is also trapped now, and this is also trapped now. So additional 500 loss here, and additional loss I have already paid in this trade. So this is how market work. Okay, so now C is also not performing, and P is already down. So let's see what happening. Interesting to see here. This hedging position I did it, and Actually, I'm expecting that C will work because the C will work because this is in the trending zone and market is above 1850, so that is the bullish zone. So with that expectations, I think this will be working in the C zone rather than the PE. But I mean, as it is monthly expiry and I'm trying to capture the last momentum in the market. So for that, I have planned this trade. Let's see what happened today. Will I the profit or loss? Let's see. Okay, now C is again improving, and I can see that the PE is bit. Okay, let's because approx 700 rupees. I mean loss here, and of course we can see here the loss in this 2000 rupees additional loss in both of the trade in hedging. But expecting to be market will improve by this level. I'm expecting this. Let's see what happened here because we have the 900 resistant level at the top of the market that is 75 point up from this. So will 75 point sorry 25 point convert in this premium, or will this premium only provide me 10 points or 20 points? So that will be interesting to see here. So how it is working, we need to see. There is additional 1000 loss in this trade, and this has recovered, so my loss is still 5500. That was, I mean, additional 2000 rupees because this loss is recovered and this increases. So this is how hedging work in the market. One more things I would like to tell here, that always try to buy premium at the lower level whenever you see this setup. Always try to enter at this point of, right, because buying higher premium is, I mean, really risky game or crime. One can say this because on the monthly expiry, you never know it will be zero, right? So I mean, when it is going to be the zero, so the volatility will not be manageable. So in this case, always try to buy the lower premium if you are buyer, especially in the last hour of the trading. So I'm in this. Still, I'm in the same loss, that is 55, 54, because sometimes C is improving, sometimes P is improving, and the loss is going same. But I'm expecting let's C will perform here, and I'm expecting this. I mean, more it will go to the more than 30 today, as per the my expectation. C must go more than 30 today. Let's see what C is doing today, because it's also out of money, so there is a higher possibility to be zero both side, because this is completely out of the money and this is because I wanted to cover these losses. I come at this 800 P, and the premium was also low, so I have taken the higher quantity here. So if this something went wrong in this will be recovered, and if something went wrong in this will recover because both time at the. So let's see the. I think last 30 minutes is going to be the very much important for me. I mean for this trade. Uh, okay, I don't see action in any side. So because of the decay in the premium, additional 200 rupees loss added here. You can see it was all earlier it was 5,500. Now it is 6,000 because of the uh, premium decay working in this, and neither side is getting movement in the market. So this side is also, I mean, at this level, and this is also not performing. So in this set, both is, I mean, giving losses to me. I'm expecting there will be, I mean, there will be momentum in the C side. To protect that momentum, I mean, let's see what happen here. Now last 30 minutes started. I mean, so I think in this set there must be a momentum, otherwise it will be difficult. Here one can see this increasing volume have came to buying in the buying, but in this side we can see this there is a no momentum in this, right? Sorry, this is, I mean, yeah, it should be a value is not, I mean, volume is not added in this, so that's why that's not showing. But even if we'll see this, we don't have the any value in this section, and additional loss of 1,000 here. I think I should exit this trade. No, Lord, let's wait. Let's wait for this because the last 20 minutes, 25 minutes is will be really good. Maybe it will not work or it will work. That is different things. So my plan is the same, and I'm working for that plan, hoping that it will work. The additional 3,000 of loss today because of this hedging trade. So let's say this candle is getting pumped and hoping that this candle will perform. Let's see. Additional losses on this. Not fair, not fair. So I mean T is not responding, but C is bit responding, and it's better than earlier. But still, I feel that market is in this, I mean, unpredictable zone because one cannot predict because 18,900 is just 17 point up from here. So this 17 point will only convert 5 to 10 point in this premium, and after that it is possible that it will be recovering from, I mean, sell off will start from this 900, and this P will start working. So, so expecting that, I'm not going to exit any of this position because that will be important for me. And now this is only 600 rupees in this, only 600 rupees. So, and that will save the big, I mean, hedging the big position in this. I think if market will break 17,900, then this premium may go to the 30 rupees. So in that set, this will be very much important for me. So let's see how this premium is working because we have this additional loss in this T, expecting market to cover whole day loss here and provide me some profit. With this expectation, let's say this candle is good. I mean, it has, but volume is not increasing. One thing is important here, volume is not. Maybe volume will increase after this 13 point. By that time, I will recover these losses also if it is come to 13, 14. Expecting market to be in this, I mean, why it is important for me because uh, the losses of this hedging will be losses of this P hedging will be recovered in the C, and also it will loaded with the volume here this point because uh, people are, I mean, sellers will start giving up because it's working from so many times here. So sellers are, I mean, started selling this premium at this point. So if the seller SL will hit somewhere, I mean on the 60 70, then premium will be up and I will get advantage of that things. But if seller will do not give up, I mean sell on the rise, then this is not going to work for me. And also there is a possibility that market will be in this sideways zone, so we should not forget that also. Let's hope that if there anything is, now it is, maybe, see, bank nifty is at very important point 13 43,000. So if you see bank nifty here how it is behaving, okay, it have taken resistance from this level. So it was almost, so it has taken resistance. So bank nifty is not supporting nifty. That's why the nifty is getting deep bearish mode, and we can see that the P premium is also not working, right? So let's see. We have only 20 minutes today. So if it is not performing, I mean after this 240, so there will be very less, I mean, chances to perform this because the buyers will not entertain more this. Okay, let's see what happening here. Again, after the good bounce back in the CE, we can see this selling start here, and I was almost at my entry price, which is 9 rupees. But again, selling started here, and already additional loss of 1,200, 300 in this, and 1,200 means 2,400 rupees additional loss in this trade, hedging trade. Expecting market to be one side with this hope because the IV is also down today, so the possibility is not very much, to be very frank with this. But again, this is the game of greed and fear. So both is working with me also. So it's very easy to say somebody that do not follow the greed and fear, do not follow this. Try to buy at the low level, try to sell at the higher level. But it's not easy in the practical, I mean, share market. If you try to apply this, you will. So that will be important to see. I'm not expecting at this level a P to perform, but see there is a possibility for C to perform well. And if this candle is not formed at the appropriate form, so there will be, I mean, issue in this trade, so, and I have to take the losses too. Let's see what's happening here. So after this, yeah, 240. After this, some action is expected in this. I mean, momentum is expected in this, but I don't find momentum in the both side. Additional 3,000 of loss here, as both sides premium is getting what we called it. So now C is also not performing and P is also sleeping. So, and loss is getting increased. So more than 3,000 loss here. And let's see. Oh my God, she is falling now. It's expecting market, so it's important to see last 20 minutes before 32. I mean 3 o'clock. So we need to see that how it is going to work. So we'll keep patience. We'll try to see the optimum result in this. Expecting market to perform, and it is not performing. Should I punish market here to not for not performing? No, one cannot punish market. Market is a supreme. No one can punish market. So now Bank Nifty is above 920, and so this is a good sign for the bull trade. And let's see, Bank Nifty is doing really well in this, I mean, time period. One things I mean, I need to take care of that. Like I have additional loss in this PE trade, so because of that, I have to take care that, I mean, additional loss of 13 1400 in this PE trade, and even that is not moving. So let's see what happening here. I think there will be momentum now. Hoping for momentum in the market. Additional 2000 of loss still I have in this hedging trade, and it is from the last 28 minute. So let's see what happening here. Now P is getting, I mean, P is, I mean, not impactful, but still I will hold that P because of the only 400 rupees I have opportunity there. And the C is also not performing, but I have time for C, now 15 minutes on the card. And if C is started working, we can see the good momentum in the market. So as I was saying, you can see that C is working here, and I am now in a small profit in the C, and that recovered my, means at this 13 point I have recovered my loss. So will it go to 20? That will be important to see. If it is going 20, then there will be really good. I mean, the day will be again profitable. But if it is not going, so okay, it's okay. I mean, I'm expecting the premium should, because if the Nifty start working above this, 900, there is higher possibility it will work above 20, and my loss is recovered. So I'm not, I mean, my additional loss in this hedging trade is almost recovered, only 5,000 rupees. I think market is listening me. When I say loss is recovered, then market is down now. So now I will not say this. I'm in loss. So maybe market will do something different here. So now situation is that additional loss of 1600, 1500 rupees, and it's getting increased here because after that, this, I as I earlier said, if you remember this, uh, this position is a seller position. Seller started selling the market, and at this again market, this premium is getting down. So this is how market work, friends. We need to understand the selling and buying zone in the market, so that will work brilliantly if you understand once this concept. Say this position is the buying position, and this position in the sell position. Only 14 pitch premium, we can see the zone here, right? So we need to identify this, because this will really help us in this trading. Now again I'm in 2000 rupees loss. I mean, at the aggregate at this, it's a 6,000 rupees loss. But in this trade, I take losses as per the trade. So in this trade, I can see this, the loss is, I mean, not still. If the premium is above 6 rupees on the expiry, it is a live premium, right? So if the premium is below 4 rupees, it is not a live premium. So premium at 8 rupees is really good premium for the buyers, and one can always, I mean, take risks on this premium. Nothing to worry in this, right? So let's see what happening in the market, and will market again. Bank Nifty is almost at 940. So will Bank Nifty today cross 43,000? So that will be really, I mean, this premium can be at the 60 rupees if this Bank Nifty break the 43,000 level today, and if the Nifty break this 900 level today. So this premium, I mean, can be at 30, 40 level easily if this happen. Let's see what happening. I'm lost in this almost almost it's 1500. Let's see, because Bank Nifty is doing good. I'm expecting so Nifty will be have, come on man, can do it. So I have appreciated Nifty here. No, Nifty is not listening me, and P is also not listening me. So they wanted not to perform today. That's okay. If you don't perform today, you will perform tomorrow. We have longer time period, nothing to worry about it. So now this is going to be very important. Last 10 minutes we have. And if CA do not perform in this 10 minutes, this trade is going to be the additional loss today. Because Nifty P is also down, and in 1 minute one cannot expect the momentum in the PE. And also, I mean, because this is 100 point down, right? So CE is also not moving. We can see this. I was hoping that it's must go by 20 at least, but neither side, nor CRP is moving properly. Wait, I have this last 10 minutes on this trade, which is going to important. I mean, I have 20 more than 20 minutes, but the last 10 minutes, if there is momentum going to happen, the last 10 minutes is going to be important. Otherwise, I mean, there will be very less chance that will be below 10% that it will perform today. Again, the C is about to, no, it's not performing, completely not performing. Okay, so loss is, I mean, additional loss, and we have only 60 17 minutes left. So looking that picture, I don't think there will be any momentum in the market today. See this how this is behaving. One can observe this. Believe me, one will not hold it if you are not hedging this. One cannot hold this trade if you are not holding, I mean, hedging this trade. This was completely not possible at this point of view. Was by the 13, 14, we have come to this 4 rupees, and again it will go to the 14. Let's see. Bank Nifty looks strong here because it's above 940, and now momentum started in the Bank Nifty, I think. Yeah, Bank Nifty is started working here. So let's see. Very good. That's really good. So Bank Nifty is working. And if Bank Nifty will work, Nifty of course will work because most of the Bank Nifty stock is also listed in the Nifty. So it is important to see whether the Bank Nifty will go above 43,000 level. So if Bank Nifty go above the 43,000 level, there will be this, I mean, a spike in the C premium. So now 60 only 40 point, only 34 to 60. It's roaming between this value. So Nifty is also started our working upper side. So let's see. 24 points is left only to Bank Nifty that will cross the 43,000 level. Let's see. We have now 5 minutes. No, it's 50 point. No, it's getting down. So no momentum here. I think done for the day. Enough loss, and I mean more than enough loss because I would like to hold this C because I'm expecting that the market will, I mean, this premium will work at least by at least recover this loss of 1300. Let's see what happening, or it will give me additional losses. That will happen. Only two things happen. So because this buying is showing in this candle strength, one can see here, because bank nifty is not leading from the front and nifty is also okay. So we'll wait for few more minutes because we are only already in the trade, and if the nifty or the bank nifty, no, equilibrium is not looking good for me. Additional loss, 4,000 additional loss here in this trade, and now it is 3,000. So I'm expecting this loss at least recovered because it's very good on the C side. Last 15 minutes, 20 minutes left in this expiry trade, and because C is also not performing, bank nifty have give up. Let's see. I mean, last 3 minutes in this 3 o'clock. So now a scalper may enter in this market because this third 15 minute left in the, I mean, before closing market closed. So scalper will enter in this market and they will try to pump up the market in either side. Of course, this premium is not going to perform. That is for sure. But there is a possibility in the CE. Let's see if the CE will recover at least 1000 this loss. So it will be very good, at least for me, that because additional loss I have taken to hedge this trade. I'm expecting C to perform here, but again it is not responding. Last 2 minutes here left. Okay, let's see. Last 2 minutes momentum start in the. I can see the spike. No, there is a no. I mean, I thought that the bank nifty just started working, but no, it's a fin nifty that is working. Bank nifty is not working. I mean, it's 960, but that is not too strong that will cross the 43,000 as per my preview. Let's see what happened here. So bank nifty is 9070, 71, and nifty is 1890. So will this go to the 1 minute left in the last 15 minutes, which start from the here, and I'm not expecting any momentum in this, so I would like to exit this trade. So only I will left with this trade because there is a very low possibility which will be like gambling. So at least 500 rupees will be saved in this. So I would like to exit this trade. So I did that, and now you can see this. Oh my god, this was at this good point, but it's okay. Now you can see this not momentum neither side. It was recovered and I was in profit of 1000 rupees almost, but again it went down. See, this was a good decision. This was a good decision. And of course, we have this 3 o'clock now. So as per the chart showing that there is a no strength in either side, and this is going to for the loss. I mean additional loss today, which is not fair for this long time in the trading. I mean longevity in the trading career, because one should avoid the additional loss in this trading, because if you don't have money, you don't have a trading career in the market. So that is very much important. I'm expecting this to at least recover those amount, so it will be at least 4,000 rupees. Additional loss will be very low. So hoping with that, I have additional 5 to 10 minutes, because Nifty is looking good at the 8095, and if this 5 point come into the mark picture, so this will be a, I mean, good momentum in this market. Hope for that. I mean, let's see what happened here. 96 in the Nifty, almost 97 in the Nifty, 98 in the Nifty, 99. Come on, Nifty, you can do it. So 99 in Nifty, stuck on the 97. Bank Nifty is also responding, and no, it's not 99. If it will not cross in 1 and 2 minutes, then there will be no meaning, because the momentum will not the benefit the traders. 96 came down. Okay, let's see. We have this last chance. 94, 96. Let's see what happening here. Expecting that Nifty will above the 9900 today. But it's not getting that much. No, bank Nifty is down, so it is not going in my favor, and the loss is increasing now. So it is better to see this is was at this point, and by this point it must have gone up, but it is down now. So the last chance I'm taking here, if this is coming up, at least there will no additional loss in this trade. But as I can see, there is a no momentum in this. I mean, there is momentum, but not in my favor, which is, again, we can see this Nifty is trying to go up 96, which looks very good to me. Now P is no need, we have no need of P, so we can keep Nifty here with the 1 minute chart to track the momentum in the Nifty, because that will only help us. See this, it's completely not performing. So it's completely not performing, an additional loss of 4,000 here. Oh, now why it is important? Because in the single candle this will come up. This, I mean, on this way on the expiry market work. In a single candle this will recover. So I have last 10 minutes, and Nifty is not performing as per my expectation. Now Nifty is above that 96. So it's possible that it will recover that. And once it will recover, this has to be go up completely. Let's see. No, because this is the resistant zone for the Nifty here, and if this will recover, covered 98, Nifty new high almost. Nifty is above 900, which is showing a strength, and this C, there is a high chance that this will be recovered. So let's see if this candle is closing above the 900 or not. That is very much important. So if this candle is closed above 900, see this up now there will be a spike in this. There will be strong spike in this. You can see here. See simply you can observe here there will be a strong spike in this trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, no spike. Let's wait for the last few minutes because Nifty has successfully crossed this level. Because of the low wicks, we do not, I mean, otherwise, if there is a weak good wicks, this might be at the, I mean, 30, 40 price of the premium. Let's see this how this behaving now. I'm expecting this to give a spike here because Nifty have given that broken that resistance successfully. Maybe the Nifty will down. That's why the people are not expecting to spike in this and momentum is not coming. That is also possible. But as Nifty is above 906, this would give a spike. Man. This is not fair. I mean, this is why the market is market. Market is supreme. No one can predict market. But at this level, I think I mean, there must be a spike in this. At least this must be above the 20 by the way Nifty have crossed this level. But because of the low wicks, it's not working. It's not favoring my trade because of the only low wicks. Otherwise, I mean, what I can say, this premium have gone up by 1445, 4045, almost 15,000 profit in this premium. Because the way Nifty has shown a strength, it it must show those strength, but it is not because of the wicks is very low here. Wicks is very low. So now it is improving. I am expecting it to now it is improving, but not that strength is not coming in this. We can see here the strength is not coming in this. So to avoid additional loss, as I have already good loss in this PE, I would like to exit this trade, which the quantity is very good in this trade. Okay, let's wait another 1 minute. If it is in loss, okay. If it is in profit, that is also will do. Profit and loss both will do. I think this should work because Bank Nifty is also above 43,000. This will work now, I think. I think so. Let's see. Bank Nifty is also good. Nifty is also good, but it's not working. Premium is not working. What is this type of market? I mean, this is the waste of. That's why I always call you don't work in the low premium market because this will not give you anything. This will cheat you only. I mean, one can see this Nifty is also good. Bank Nifty is also good. Still, premium is not working. So, I mean, this is at the next level. So, to avoid the loss, because the loss will get here, should I wait or not? What's your opinion, traders? Because Nifty is looking strong, but it will not be so much strong. So, let's come on, man. I mean, come on, market. Will you perform here? That's looking Nifty is, I mean, good mood. You can see here that how that is behaving. But this premium is completely not behaving. Leave it. So I have closed this trade. If now this will perform, I've taken a small quantity. If it is, see this Nifty is how beautifully Nifty is behaving. But there is no moment in this. Finally, I'm able to recover few loss. I think I did bit earlier. थोड़ी सी जल्दी हो गई. Otherwise, it might be in a good profit. And see, this is not going to be the down. In this trade, this will go 20 at least. This will be going 20 at least in this. This is the philosophy of the market. Let's see. In 1 minute, it will go to 20. So finally, I have recovered my additional losses. So I'm happy for that. And if I have stayed with higher quantity, I might be in the good profit. But it's okay. All trades do not work. All times you will not be right. So nothing to worry here. I'm expecting 20 at this point of time, because I have left only 1 2 minutes. So it will be again risky, but I'm expecting that this should go by 20. Let's see what happening here. Again, this will be a risky game, but I have some additional profit points in this trade. So I don't have issue with that holding with this trade. Let's see. Last few minutes. Will it go to 20? Will it go to 20 or not? That is the question for the day. I'm expecting to it will be going by 20. Okay, okay, because the Nifty is showing a strength and Bank Nifty is also holding 43,000 level. So there is a very less chances that it will be down. Of course, I have only 1 minute left. So will be there a spike for the 5 point, because let's see where is Nifty now. Oh, nice. See this. Nifty have performed so good, but the premium have only come to 5 points from 9 to 14. This is because of the low wicks. If there was a high wicks, it might be at the 30 level point. So it's very risky for even for the sellers, because if they don't get a higher premium, there is no meaning of the selling, because they will also trap in this market. See, if this coming not coming down, but this coming down, because the selling get started. Now I think I should book the losses, not waiting for the. I mean, I should book the, because the last minute is here on the card, and leave it. So additional 900 here. Additional 900 of loss in this hedging trading. And if you'll see this, the 2000 almost. I mean, the loss in this PE, and C was almost, it was profitable for 1000, especially for the second trade, but it is okay, and I did it. Thank you so much for watching this.